A very good morning, class 5 students. I hope you all are fine and doing good. Today, I'm going to teach you science subject, and today's chapter will be your chapter 11, and your chapter topic is pollution. Okay. So before going through this chapter, like many days it happens that your online classes was not going on. So today I'm going to continue. Okay, today I'm going to continue with this new chapter. Okay, so please take it out your page number 91. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the pollution. Okay, what is the pollution? How many kinds of pollution are there? Okay, so what are the effects of the pollution you are going to study in this particular chapter? Okay, now first of all, let's go about the pollution. Okay, so pollution is something introduced into the environment that is dirty, unclean, or has an harmful effect. That means pollution is something that affects the environment as well as the human being, even the living things like trees, birds, everything, because these pollutions are created directly, indirectly by the human beings only. Okay, because if you see around you, the nature is very clean, neat, is very clean, it's fresh, yes or no? But when all the works is being done by the human beings, like throwing the wrappers, throwing the plastic and all, burning the fuel and all, yes or no? And example like traveling from one place to another, because that black smoke also affects the environment directly or indirectly. So pollution is something which affects the environment and it helps to disturb the balance of the environment. Okay, so today we are going to study that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 type of pollutions are there. So today we are going to study, we are going to learn step by step. So first of all, in the pollutions, we are going to study about the air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, and thermal pollution. Okay, so today we are going to study about this particular topics and all. So please take out a page number 91. Okay, I'm going to read pollution in environment. All of us live an environment. What is an environment? First question comes over here. What is an environment? Yes or no? Environment means the surrounding where someone lives. That means environment is a surrounding where someone lives, means we human beings lives over there. Yes or no? It is an environment. If you come out from your house, you can see different kind of trees, different kind of birds. Yes, you see many kinds of even people. So yes or no? That is known as the environment. Environment is a natural, okay, which is not made by the human beings. It is a natural things which is made by itself. Did you get it? So all the things around us make up our environment, our house, our school, our neighborhood, the city we live in, the river which flows near the town, and so many things all are part of the environment. Environment means not only the nature, but the things that the houses, the people, the river, okay, like neighborhood, and all these are the environment which comes under the environment. In short terms, I can say you that environment is something which we can see around us. Okay, which we can see around us. Okay, maybe it is living thing, or maybe it will be non-living thing. Okay, so next topic will be humans and environment. Man is only the organism which interferes with the environment. He has cut down trees for using of firewood or making furnitures. He has cut down forests to bring more land under cultivation for growth, more crops, and also killed animals for food and articles obtained from them. Like same thing, animals is one of the main disaster for the environment, because human beings are unlimited. You know that human beings are unlimited because पहिलाको जमानामा जाँदाखेरि पहिला नि त सिलौटो थियो, यसो न, पहिलातिर सिलौटो थियो, कच गरेर एकदम उयो के कुट्थ्यो, सिलौटो आयो, त्यहाँबाट मिक्सी आयो, त्यहाँबाट के आउनु थाल्यो, यसो न. So human ones are unlimited, but where are these things comes from? It comes directly, indirectly from the forest. Yes or no? So the human beings, whatever they want, they get from the forest. They cut the trees. Okay, they cut the trees. From the trees only they make furnitures and all. They make so many things for the human beings. Yes or no? So directly, indirectly, we can say that the man is the human being is one of the good example for getting to get polluted in the environment. Okay. Now see here. And like another thing is all the deeds of human beings have an effect on the environment. When you travel by bus or car or by any automobile, you are making an effect of the environment. When you eat packet food and throw it packet, you are making an environment effect on the environment. Like, yes, whenever we are going to eat something, okay, when we are buying something from the shop, yes, we are buying something from the shop, we after eating, when we it is the food is inside the packet, yes, the chips and all that is inside the packet, but after tearing that, we just after eating we throw that plastic here and there without thinking a minute. We throw the plastic and all, and you know that if plastic is a very dangerous things for which affect the environment, because plastic यस्तो चीज हो जुन चाहिँ तिमीले चाहिँ त्यो प्लास्टिकलाई एउटा तिम्रो घरको जग्गामा मतलब खनेर माटो खनेर तिमी त्यो प्लास्टिक खाला, 1 वर्ष 2 वर्षसम्म पछाडि तिमी त्यो प्लास्टिक जस्तोको त्यस्तै हुन्छ. Did you get it? So that also affects the environment. Okay, see, we need food, water, clothes and shelters, and we need other things as well. All our needs produce waste on one kind or the other. Our needs disturb the ecological balance and leads to the change of environment. As long as the human pollution was less, the environment was not affected so much, and it was able to purify and clean itself. But now, with such great increase in the pollution population, setting up such a large number of industries and rapid means of transport, the environment has been spoiled. We must take urgent steps to check this, otherwise the day is not far when the survival of human race will at a shake on our planet, the earth. Yes. Now, the most important thing is the first step of pollution in the environment is pollution. Population, sorry, it is a population of the human being, because if you see day by day the population is growing more and more. Yes or no? I will say one thing is that hospital मा नि एकजना मान्छे मरे भने नि त्यसको बदली 10 जना 20 जना मान्छे जन्म लिन्छ अरे. Did you get that? Means if one person is dying, in place of that one particular person, how many person are getting birth? 10 or 5% babies are getting birth. So you can see that the pollutions are getting affected by the population of the people. Okay, and the day is not so far that the day will be the end in the earth. Okay, so first thing we are going to study about the pollution. Okay, already I have taught you about the pollution, but still I'm going to read the pollution. The addition of undesirable amount of harmful materials in the air, water and land is called pollutions. It alters the natural activities of environment. Okay, a substance which causes pollution is called pollutant. Yes, already I have said you, or I have already given you some definition over there. Pollution is something which affects the environment and disturbs the environment. Okay, from there only all kind of diseases, all kind of sickness comes. Okay, now like example I'm going to give you is that you can see the black smoke from the chimneys of the factory. That black smoke is not an oxygen. If you go there and you just smell, you will die over there early. It is a carbon dioxide. Did you get it? So this kind of things are being done. Okay, that kind of things are being done by the human beings, which affects the environment. Okay, so in the environment there are five types of pollution. That is air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, and thermal pollution. So in this class, it's not possible to say all the steps, but if I'm going to teach you about the air pollution to the first topic. Okay, so first topic will be the air pollution. Most of the air pollution is caused by the burning of the fuel. We cause the fuel in our vehicles, factories and home. Burning of any fuel release smoke. This smoke can also contain some harmful gases. Smoke pollute the air. It is unfit for breathing. Yes, air pollution means how does the air pollution get? How the air get polluted is that because of when we are cooking the food in the wood and all, yes, so there also black smoke comes whenever we are burning something. Okay, that waste material, that also black smoke comes. Yes or no? That black smoke is a harmful gases. Okay, like carbon dioxide and all that kind of things are there, which is very harmful for the human beings also, for the environment also. Like in the factories, in the big chimneys, so many black smokes comes out. Where that black smoke get disappear in the environment. Yes or no? But the thing is that that black smoke always affects the environment because of the carbon dioxide. Okay, so while we breathe, that black smoke also get inside our body and we feel suffocated. Okay, so directly indirectly this is the way how the air pollution is going to get air pollution is getting spoiled in the environment. Okay, so this much for today, and in the next class I'm going to teach you its effects and what are the diseases caused by the air pollution. Okay, thank you so much.